Hello everyone, my name is BigJ and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to go over a topic that everyone seems to be talking about. That's the 4K hours. That's right, 4,000 hours of watch time on YouTube. I'm not going to lie, it was one of the most toughest things I ever accomplished in the streaming industry. But we did it. And I am here to tell you a few things that you can do to get you that much closer to the 4K hours. Let's begin. First things first, I'm going to say is scheduling. Scheduling streams are a very important thing so that your viewers can be consistent with showing you support. I would like to think that if you give the people a certain time every day or days during the week, I think you would get a really good amount of people coming back to watch you stream, which would increase your watch time hours. Also, uploading videos on how to's, tutorials, and things of that nature will definitely help out with your watch hours as well. You want to make things that are very important. You don't want to make things that's going to waste people's time. I'm always blunt, I'm always honest about everything. And I just want to say, you always want to make videos that are going to have people engaged. So people want to learn. And what better ways to learn is to make videos that are going to teach us to make better things, improve in our craft, our work, and our streaming and such on. So things like that always help with getting your hours up, and definitely want things that's not going to mislead. You don't ever want to make videos that's going to mislead anybody. And I assure you, when you mislead people, it just drives people away, and you do not want to drive people away. So let's make videos that are very important to us and that can benefit everybody. Now, I know I said uploading videos previously, but also going live. Going live will help with watch hours as well. And when you are consistent with your lives, that will bring in more people, and that would be a consistency of the same people, if not more people, going into your streams, and that adds on to your watch hours as well. So when uploading videos and going live, those can help you with your watch hours as well. Another thing that I would like to go over is the analytics. YouTube has one of the best tools that can help you go with and not against the algorithm. So when you go into the analytics, it shows you things that will help you out with your watch hours, that will show you what your audience is engaged with the most, what they're researching, and all of the above. So I would say that the analytics is one of the best things there's out there on the YouTube that will help you, not go against you, but help you make those 4K hours that much sooner. Also, adding really great thumbnails will also help with getting the traction to your streams or your uploaded videos. I would also like to say that adding trending titles and trending hashtags will also help you out with that as well. So make sure you do your research and see what trending titles they have and what trending hashtags are out there to add that will help you get into the groove of the algorithm. And I gotta say, the last and foremost, the most important thing that you can do that will help with all of this is patience. Patience is the key to all of this. Patience and consistency is the key to all of this. And I can guarantee you, I am a living proof of all of this. You have to be consistent, but you also have to be patient. Um, Time, I know, is one thing that is very precious, but you have to realize that if you don't rush the process, it will happen. Just keep being consistent with your uploads, your live streams, and you will see the improvement in your watch hours. And that is the true ways of being successful in this industry. You have to be patient, you have to be consistent, and you have to make trendy. And I would like to say thank you guys for being a part of this. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button. Comment below if you like the video. If you want to see more videos like this, feel free to reach out to me. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. And I would love you guys forever. Till next time, y'all have a great day, great night, and talk to y'all later.